Hey, are you looking for the best budget 4K drone from AliExpress? I have fixed the top 5 best AliExpress 4K drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. And at number 5, the best drone is KF102 GPS 4K drone. It is provided with fixed focus optical zoom. You will be able to do a first-person view operation with it. The diameter of its main rotor is 14 cm. You will get a fixed focus. It is provided with a brushless motor which will provide great power with less sound. You will get a great camera that will provide you with 4 Kelvin's high-definition video recording ability. You will also be able to do amazing photography with it. You will be able to do aerial photography with it. You will be able to get some good quality videos and pictures and use them. You will be able to control them in a good manner to get some great shots. This KF102 model is provided with 4 control channels. You will get a connectivity app that will help you to control it with some amazing features. You will also get a remote controller to control it. You will also be able to connect it with a Wi-Fi connection. You will be able to control it in 1,200 meters range from the remote control. You will be able to fly it for 27 minutes non-stop to get the shots that are needed. You will have to charge it for about 3 hours. The transmitter will need 3 double-A lithium batteries. And at number 4, the best drone is new SJRC F11 Kelvin's camera drone. It is provided with GPS-assisted flights which will provide you with the ability to move the aircraft with a mobile phone. You will just have to connect the aircraft to the GPS, open the app follow function, and operate it with the mobile phone. If you keep yourself within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft and face the camera to take a photo, you will be able to take pictures by making gestures. You will be able to fly the aircraft autonomously according to the preset route, and the flyer will be able to focus on the shooting. This feature will give it an opportunity to capture some great shots with perfection. You will be able to find the center of the circle, mode the aircraft according to the desired circle radius through the joystick. This feature will give you the opportunity to control it more easily. You will be able to check the last distance, latitude, and longitude of the aircraft. Because if you click the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface, the map will display them. You will be constantly able to keep an eye on your last flight, which will give you the ability to compare those with each fly and learn from each of them. You will be able to add filters in it. You will also be able to add video effects, background music. You will be able to share the pictures and videos too. You will get 1 remote controller, 1 7.6 volt, 3400 mAh LiPo battery, 4 spare propellers, 1 USB charging cable, 1 screwdriver, 8 spare screws, and 1 user manual in the package. And at number 3, the best drone is new H851 4K GPS drone. You will able to take off the drone in a simple way because this drone is provided with a decent 1-key takeoff feature. You will get a brushless motor in it, which provides great service and adds plus points to the drone. You will be able to operate it with beginner skills too. You will be able to operate it both indoor and outdoor. You will get 15 days of warranty on it. The main material of the drone is plastic, which means it is made of plastic. You will get 4 Kelvin's ultra high definition and 6 Kelvin's ultra high definition in video capture resolution. You will be able to capture some great quality videos through it. You will be able to aerial photography through it. It is provided with 4 control channels. You will also able to control it through app. You will get some amazing benefits through this feature. You will get a remote distance of 1,500 meters, which means you will be able to control it from about 1,500 meters away. The controller is provided with a 300 mAh battery. You will get a flight time of 25 minutes. You will have to charge it for 240 minutes. You will get a camera, remote controller, batteries, operating instructions, USB cable in the package. And at second place, the best drone is SJRC F11 PRO 4K GPS drone. It is provided with some awesome and amazing modes like orbit mode, gesture photo or video mode, follow me mode. These features will give you the ability to control it easily. It is provided with a lightweight 2-axis mechanical gimbal with the latest professional control algorithms. It will reduce the blur caused by vibrations in flight. It also ensures that the drone camera provides high-quality video and photos. You will be able to store your pictures and videos on an SD card. You will be able to make sure the images and video pixels are not compressed. You will be able to make a better collection with the extra space. It is provided with 5G Wi-Fi functions that can be connected with app. You will be able to take pictures and video. You'll be also able to enjoy the real-time transmission through the phone camera image. You will get the high capacity of 2500 mAh intelligent battery that yields up to 25 minutes flight times. You will get enough time to shoot masterpieces with this. It is provided with GPS-assisted flight, which will provide you accurate positioning details of your drone. It is also provided with a built-in return-to-home function, which provides a safer fly. Because of this feature, your drone will return to home automatically when its battery is low or the signal gets weak when flying out of range. So, you won't need to worry about losing the drone. It is manufactured with a brushless motor which is so quiet but very powerful when running. It has also made sure that breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required. It makes your flight more enjoyable too. If you open the drone app, you will be able to use the flight plan at your fingertips. You have to just draw a route on the screen. The copter will be able to operate itself without the pilot as per the given path. And at number 1, the best drone is KF101 GPS 4K drone. It is provided with multiple useful and great features. It is provided with an app-controlled control system. You will get a GPS feature in it, which will help you in many senses. You will get some amazing services through this GPS feature. You will also get Follow Me feature in it, which will help you through paying less attention to flying and paying more attention in the shooting. You will get the integrated camera in it. It is also provided with Wi-Fi features. You will get a brushless motor in it, which is a great choice for better quality drones. It will provide more power and less sound. Its remote controlling distance is about 1200 meters, which means you will be easily able to control it in about 1200 meters range from the remote controller. You will get 4 control channels in it. 3.7 volt, 1000 mAh battery will be needed for the controller. You will get about 500 meters of Wi-Fi image transmission distance. The image transmission method of it will be 5G. You will able to get Follow Me feature from about 30 meters from the controller and gesture control from about 1 to 3 meters. You will get 4K Ultra High Definition and 8K Ultra High Definition video capture resolution from it. You will be able to do good quality aerial photography through it. You will get an adjustable angle camera in it. You will also get a 3-axis gimbal in it to have a smooth service. You will get about 24 minutes of flight time in it. You will have to charge it for about 6 hours. You will get USB type plugs in it. You will have to charge the transmitter for about 60 minutes. You will need iOS 8.0 or later and Android 4.4 or later. You will get 25 frames per second in frame rate. You will get a camera, batteries, remote controller, charger, USB cable, operating instructions in the package with the drone. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.